Hello everyone! Today we want to solve problem 8.7, page 262. Portfolio required return. Suppose you are the money manager of a $4 million investment fund. The fund consists of 4 stocks with the following investments and betas. For the stock A, the investment of $40,000 and beta 1.5. For stock B, investment $6,000 with a beta minus 0.5. For a stock C, investment $1 million for a beta of 1.25. And finally, for the stock D, investment $2 million and a beta 0.75. If the market's required rate of return is 14% and the risk-free rate is 6%, what is the fund's required rate of return? We have two methods to calculate this problem. First method, we want to solve the portfolio beta. Portfolio beta equals summation of the weight times beta for each stock. Portfolio beta equal $4,000 over $4 million times 1.5 plus $6,000 over $4 million times minus 0.5 plus $1 million over $4 million times 1.5 plus $2 million over $4 million times 0.75. So beta of the portfolio equals 0.1 times 1.5 plus 0.15 times minus 0.5 plus 0.25 times 1.25 plus 0.5 times 0.75. So the beta of the portfolio equal 0.7625. Now, after finding the beta of the portfolio, required rate of return of a portfolio equal risk-free rate plus required rate of the market minus risk-free rate times beta of the portfolio equals 6% plus 14% minus 6% times 0.7625. So the required rate of a return for the portfolio equal 12.1%. The second method or alternative solution for solving this problem, first we calculate the return for each stock using the CAMP equation, risk-free rate plus required rate of the market minus risk-free rate times beta, and then we calculate the weighted average of this return. We have the risk-free rate equal 6% and RM minus R risk-free rate equal 8%. For stock 1, the investment is $4,000 and beta 1.5, and we already calculated the weight for stock 1A 0.1. And after solving the required rate for stock A equal 18%. For stock B, investment $6,000, beta minus 0.5, weight 0.15, and the required rate of return for stock B equal 2%. For stock C, investment $1 million, beta 1.25, weight 0.25, and the required rate of return for stock C is 16%. And finally, for stock D, the investment is $2 million, beta 0.75, the weight is 0.5, and the required rate of return equal 12%. So now we want to calculate the required rate of return of portfolio equal summation of the weight times the required rate of return for each stock. So the required rate of return for the portfolio equal 18% times 0.1 plus 2% times 0.15 plus 16% times 0.25 plus 12% times 0.5 equal 12.1. So the required rate of return for the portfolio equal 12.1%.